Hello everyone and welcome to the Simple Algo family. My name is Nick and I'm the founder of Simple Algo, and in today's video I'm going to very easily and quickly explain to you how you can claim access to the Simple Algo indicators after you've started a plan with us. So after you've purchased a plan, it should automatically redirect you to a page that looks like this. If it doesn't redirect you to this page automatically, go to wap.com, sign into your WAP account, then go to wap.com/simplealgo, click on integrations, TradingView, and then you'll be on the same page as us. Once you're on this page, you're going to have to put your TradingView username into this slot right here and click claim indicators, and then you should have access on your TradingView account. If you don't have a TradingView account, all you have to do is go to tradingview.com, click sign up, and completely disregard all of the paid options. This indicator works with a free TradingView account. So don't sign up for any paid membership on TradingView unless you want to, of course. Just make a free account, and then once you have your account, input your username into your WAP dashboard. Once you've done that, go back to TradingView, go to your indicators tab, and go to your invite-only scripts. Here you'll see all of the indicators that come with the Simple Algo subscription. You'll have Simple Algo version 1, version 2, version 3, our premium oscillator, and our premium screener. And it is quite literally that simple, folks. That's why we call it Simple Algo. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to open a support ticket on our website or shoot me an email, nicholas@simplealgo.io. I'm going to put it up on the screen here so you know how to spell it. Enjoy the indicators and have an amazing day.